Picture opening your banking app 1 year from today and seeing 5 digits staring back. 10 grand you didn't have before. No inheritance, no lottery, just a smarter system than the one draining most wallets. If that vision gives you goosebumps, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it real. All the information I'll be sharing is completely free, so I'd appreciate it if you liked the video as a thank you. Now, some of you might be tempted to click away too soon, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch this video all the way to the end, you'll miss the key points that can make all the difference. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Pay yourself first. Automate the invisible tax. Think of your future self as the IRS, except the refund arrives with compound interest. Set a recurring transfer for 10% of every paycheck the moment it lands. Route it to a separate high-yield savings account you never touch. Harvard's Household Finance Panel found savers who automate move 3.8 times more money than manual savers. 1 hour of setup, a lifetime of success. Turn $10,000 into bite-sized victories. 10 grand feels massive until you slice it. $10,000 a year equals $833 a month. $833 a month equals $192 a week. $192 a week equals $27 a day. That's 1 restaurant entree, 1 impulse Uber, or 3 lattes. Swap each for a homemade version and you're funded. Every time you skip the delivery app, whisper $27 closer. Beat present bias with the 30-day not now list. Dopamine spikes before you buy, not after. Capture the rush without the cash leak by writing every non-essential desire onto a not now later list. Wait 30 days. If the item still matters, buy guilt-free. 90% will fade into what was I thinking, and your savings remain intact. Find your why and print it everywhere. Numbers alone rarely motivate change. Stories do. Ask yourself, why must I save this money? A debt-free parent, a sabbatical, a down payment. Write that reason on a sticky note and slap it on your phone case, fridge, and credit card holder. Calculate the future price tag of today's splurge. Every $100 you spend now could be $260 in 10 years at a 10% market return. Use that future value lens before checkout. Is this $80 hoodie worth $208 of my tomorrow money? Most impulses crumble under that spotlight, and your investment account swells instead. Shrink your ego, expand your gap. Savings equals income minus ego. Status buys Snapchat memories for strangers. Humility buys freedom for you. Wear last season, drive paid off. Brag quietly with your net worth chart. The fastest way to widen the gap between income and expenses isn't earning more, it's needing less applause. The Rapid Fire Toolkit. Cancel 3 forgotten subscriptions tonight. Sell 1 dormant gadget this weekend. Cook in bulk every Sunday. Save $60 weekly. Transfer every raise straight to automation before lifestyle inflation sniffs it out. Automate, slice, delay, believe, future price, and humble up. That's the 6-step engine that turns ordinary paychecks into extraordinary security. If this playbook lit a fire, smash like, hit subscribe for weekly wealth hacks, and drop a comment. Which step will you activate tonight? I answer every action taker. Your first extra $10,000 is waiting. Go claim it.